Muffler guy here, not every upgrade has to scream to be heard. This Audi A5 came in with a specific request, 2 HKS boosters, but not for noise, for presence. The owner didn't want anything too loud, he wanted something that's unshakable. Every fitment, every angle, every detail, done with care. Because subtle done right takes more precision than loud ever will. Everyone needs an Audi that speaks quietly and still commands the room. Muffler guy, built for those who don't need to shout. You can contact us on 0966 750980, or you can visit our store at Jezimo along Alikinkata Road, Kalingalinga. And then we fired it up. Vini. No drama, no rattle, just a tone that says everything it needs to.